Hello guys, this is Here's What You Got the last week of my YouTube channel. So makikita nyo po siya, yan. I have 46 shorts na na-upload po. So yan po makikita nyo. So I'm so excited to share. So I have 136 people tuned with my channel. And you got 536 new subscriber within a week. So ganun po makikita nyo yung weekly update dito po sa YouTube channel ko sa yan po, makikita nyo. Sa YouTube Studio. Here's people found you in short speed, YouTube search, and channel pages. So, doon po makikita. Here's people found you. At ito naman, this is what they watch. Wednesday, Sumbarangay, Friday, Sumbarangay, and Thursday, Sumbarangay Serie. And I'm so happy for the result. At makikita nyo po, ayan po siya. And lately, ayan po, people didn't just watch, they reached 1,704 likes, 94 shares, and 10 comments. And lastly, makikita nyo po kung magkano in-earn nyo within the week. So yan po. Kinover ko lang po kasi financial matters. So yan po ang weekly recap ko in my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat for watching and God bless you all. Thank you so much.